to teach you how to make a yummy and easy recipe. Hoy les voy a enseñar cómo hacer una receta fácil y deliciosa. Las únicas cosas que necesitan son bananos y una batidora. The only things you need are bananas and a blender. Today we're going to be making banana ice cream, helado de bananos. The first thing we're going to do is peel and cut our bananas. You want to use bananas that are starting to get a little bit old. Quieren usar bananos que están un poco viejos, un poco marrón. So we're going to peel our bananas. This is a great job for preschoolers to do. Get the peel off. It doesn't matter if it breaks because we are going to cut it up. Vamos a cortar los bananos. Necesitan entre 2 y 3 bananos. You need 2 to 3 bananas, and we're just going to cut them into little slices like this. Uh-oh. They like to roll away. They're like little wheels. Now, after you cut up your banana, you are going to put your banana pieces in the freezer. Van a congelar el banano entre 2 y 3 horas. You're going to freeze your bananas for 2 to 3 hours o más. You can also do a little bit more time. Here are some additional ingredients that you can add to your banana ice cream if you want to. Aquí tengo otros ingredientes que pueden añadir a su helado de bananos si quieren. Chocolate chips, chispas de chocolate, cocoa powder, cacao en polvo, vainilla, and coconut, coco. I wonder what other ingredients you could add. Me pregunto cuáles otros ingredientes podrían añadir. So, now that my bananas are frozen, I'm going to put them in my blender and turn them into ice cream. Ahora tengo mis bananos congelados y voy a batirlos en mi batidor y van a volver en helado de bananos. If you don't have a blender like this at home, you can try smashing the bananas with a fork beforehand until they're really liquidy and smushy and gooey, and then you can put them in a container in your freezer until they're a little bit harder, and then mix in some more yummy ingredients. Si no tienen un batidor en casa, también pueden tratar de batir los bananos con un tenedor antes de ponerlos en el congelador y después de 2 o 3 horas, cuando está un poco congelado, añadir otros ingredientes para comer. So we're going to see how easy it is to blend these bananas. Vamos a ver cómo funciona. First, I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to give it a little pulse. We'll see. You see the blades inside of their spin, and it breaks up the bananas into little pieces. I wonder what will happen if I mix it some more. What do you think will happen? Let's see. So I'm going to add a little bit of almond milk. To make this a little bit creamier. Just a splash. see, it's very soft and creamy, just like ice cream. So now this is when you can add in any mix-ins that you'd like. So I'm going to add some chocolate chips to mine. And a little bit of vanilla. Vanilla is very strong, so you just want to use a few drops. And I like coconut, so I'm also going to add some coconut. Something else you can add if you'd like is peanut butter. You could also, if you don't like chocolate and peanut butter, but you really like fruit, you could add other frozen fruits like strawberry to make strawberry banana ice cream, or blueberries, or pineapple, mango. Okay. Now, blend in your toppings. And there you have some delicious coconut, chocolate, peanut butter ice cream. Now I'm going to put this in a bowl and put it in the freezer for a little while until it gets harder and it's the texture of ice cream. Voy a congelarlo un poquito más para que pueda ser un poco más como helado. So now I'm scraping my banana ice cream into a bowl so I can freeze it. You see it's very soft right now. We want it to be a little bit more frozen so that it's the texture of ice cream. And there you have it. Some yummy ice cream. We're going to stick it in the freezer and I'll be back soon. Alright preschoolers, I'm back and I have my ice cream. It's been about 1 hour. Ha pasado una hora, and you can see my ice cream is getting nice and thick. It's about the texture of soft serve right now. A little bit harder at the edges. I'm going to make a big scoop here. Looks like ice cream. Look at that. And I'm going to scoop it into my little mug here. You see, I'm making a big scoop. And now, I have a treat that I'm ready to enjoy. Have fun, preschoolers.